Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have shorter hair since the last time you saw me. But today we are going to be doing a what I eat in a day, showing you guys some really healthy, easy, delicious meal ideas. Also going to talk to you about Element because you know it is my ride or die. So far this morning, I just had my coffee. I just make a French press. Here, it's so good. Oh, you can see a sleepy puppy in the background. Oh, it's so good. Like, I love a French press. I just use a dark organic roast. So good. Anyways, we are going to make breakfast. I look forward to breakfast every single day. I have been obsessed with this yogurt bowl, but you add things to the yogurt, you stir it up, and then you add toppings. I think I might be the last person on earth to do this, but it's really good. I'll show you what I add. So you take your yogurt and we're gonna be adding some protein powder. This is my favorite one by Nuzest, the Clean Lean Protein. And then you add some nut butter to it. You stir it up and then add your toppings. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a banana. I have like a quarter of a banana here, some organic raspberries, some hemp hearts, and then some dark chocolate chips. So after you stir it up, like, the texture is just so good. The protein powder adds a dose of protein, and you guys know from my last video that I've been doing more weight training, so I'm making sure that I get enough protein to support my muscles. So much flavor. We're gonna add the toppings, and yeah. So this is the finished yogurt bowl. I got my toppings, my dark chocolate chips. So yummy. I was just about to add some electrolytes to my water and I was like, oh, perfect timing. So today's video, where is it? Is sponsored by Element. Again, you guys know, my ride or die, the most organic, authentic partnership. I'm so grateful to be able to be sponsored by them because I have used this for like a year before they reached out to me daily. It is like a non-negotiable. I brought this with me traveling to Florida, Mexico. If I had to choose probably one thing in my whole cabinet, staple, it is electrolytes. And if you didn't know, electrolyte imbalances can look like muscle fatigue or cramps, headaches, cravings in between meals, generally like just being lethargic and achy. Imagine if those problems got solved just by having electrolytes. I know so many of you guys love them too. You've gotten hooked on them since I started talking about them. I'm so happy because they honestly changed my life. I find when I have one of these, immediately I just feel so much better. So many great minerals in it for you. It was developed by Rob Wolf. It's used by athletes, by NBA players, like the best of the best, there we go, Olympic athletes, and there's no weird ingredients. So it's paleo, keto, no artificial colors, sweeteners, none of those nasty ingredients that can be in other electrolytes. It's only the good stuff. You guys know I am very picky when it comes to the things I put in my body, well, also on my body, but also in my body, and Element makes the cut. This is a citrus salt one that I'm gonna add to my water. They also have, my other favorites are raspberry salt and watermelon, but they also have a chocolate. Let me show you. For more of what I put in like a milky drink, like a smoothie, coffee, actually coffee, this is really good, or your cacao, or yeah, coffee, tea, cacao, any kind of thing with nut milk, it is delicious too. Like I said, I have at least one a day. Also, like if you find that you get a little bit of low energy, this can also help perk you up because of the electrolytes. So many times it's actually an electrolyte imbalance. Oh, the oven's ready for lunch. So if you want to try out Element and you haven't yet, which you should have by now, but if you haven't yet, get on the Element train. There is a link for you guys to get a free sample pack so you can try all 8 flavors. So the watermelon, citrus, raspberry, chocolate, there's some like habanero ones, some spicy ones if you like things a little spicy. I know this has changed a lot of your lives, changed my life. I carry it with it in my purse. I like that it's travel, it's easy, so good for you, and it's gonna help you live well. I'm Liv, got it? Live well. All right, let's go ahead and make some lunch. So in between clients, I like to make like a quick lunch bowl. We're gonna roast some, what are we gonna roast? We're gonna roast some sweet potato, cauliflower rice, cook up some chicken, some greens, some like a hodgepodge bowl full of protein, healthy fats, fiber, and all of that. So here we have the finished lunch bowl. We have the roasted sweet potato and cauliflower rice, chicken, cucumber, mixed greens, radish, tahini drizzle, sprinkle of Maldon sea salt. We are good to go. Nourishing bowl. Honestly, this lunch bowl is so good. Like, oh, I'm gonna go eat now. All right, it is time to make dinner. I had to change into a t-shirt because we were having a dance party. If you follow me on Instagram, you know all about the bun dance parties. So got really hot in my cashmere sweater. We're gonna make dinner. I'm making nuggets and sorry, you can hear Kasha, she just gave her food. Nuggets and broccoli. So we're gonna make like chicken. Well, I'm actually gonna use turkey because turkey was on sale. But you can do the same with ground chicken or ground turkey, either will work. We're gonna make nuggets. This is a new recipe that I've never done. I've only like made chicken fingers with like the strips of meat. I've never done it with a ground meat, and I wanna try it out. We're gonna try that out with some roasted broccoli. And actually I think I'm gonna make a batch of my raw brownies. This is, I think, my favorite, sorry, my feet are hot. Take my slippers off. My favorite brownies right now is like this raw brownie. So I think we're going to make the nuggets, get that in the oven, make the brownies while it's cooking. Then we'll have chicken, well, turkey nuggets technically, broccoli, and then a brownie for dessert today. Okay, so I am using 1 pound or about 500 grams, 450 of minced turkey. And then to that, we're gonna add in garlic powder, smoked paprika, and salt. We're gonna mix this together, like meal it with the spices. And then we're going to put this, with some almond flour. Sorry, I'm a bit distracted. Kashi, do you have to go out, boo-boo? She keeps whining at the door. I think she has to go out. Okay, let me take her out and then we will reconvene with the nuggets. Alrighty, we have our ground turkey, but you can also use ground chicken. We're gonna do a little talk through of this. And then we're gonna add in, whatever, about a tablespoon, you can hear Akasha with her toy, of garlic powder. You can also add in onion powder to this. I'm gonna add smoked paprika because I pretty much add smoked paprika to most things. And then some salt, along with 1 tablespoon of almond flour. And then we are going to mash this up with our hands and make little nuggets. All right, so we have our nuggets. I didn't do like a full coating, I just did like a light coating. I put my broccoli on the side, I sprayed it with avocado oil, and then also put some pepper on. We're gonna get these into the oven for 22 minutes and we'll see them after. All right, we have all the ingredients for the raw brownies. I have almond flour, cacao, nut butter, maple syrup, vanilla. We're gonna mix this together, press it down in a pan, add some chocolate chips, and we'll be good. So I just pressed the batter into the pan. I'm gonna leave the recipe down below. And then I pressed in some sugar-free, dairy-free chocolate chips into the top. We're gonna pop this in the freezer and I'll be able to have them later. Alrighty, our nuggets are out of the oven. I made a couple into hearts, I love them. I broiled them for a couple minutes at the end to get them nice and crispy. I'm excited to dig in. This is such a kid's meal. I've got nuggets and broccoli. We'll see if I have more. I love that I made them heart-shaped, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat. So I cut up the brownies. We're gonna have one with some hot cacao that I made. You guys, oh, I gotta stir it a bit. Let's grab a spoon. Stir some abundance in. And yeah, we're gonna have a brownie, a little hot cacao, perfect cozy evening. So I hope you guys enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day. Do not forget to get your free sample pack of Element. Let me know which flavor of it is your favorite. You know what? A little sprinkle of that would even be good with these brownies or in the hot cacao, actually. I think I'm gonna do that right after I film this. We're gonna do that. But I'm also gonna leave my last What I Eat in a Day here on the screen to get lots more healthy recipe inspiration. Follow me on Instagram to see lots more recipes, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.